So this thing is leaking everywhere. I can't really see that great down there with this, but yeah, it started overheating like every day, worse and worse. When I first got it, I could drive it for about 2 hours and it was fine. Then the trips kept getting shorter and shorter. So I don't understand why, really, because I know that the radiator is too small, and today we're going to replace it with a larger one, but that doesn't explain why the trips were getting shorter and shorter. So I got to figure it out. The things I'm confused about, call me stupid or whatever, but I feel like that nipple down there should have a hose coming out of it. I mean, on the new radiator, there's inserts for it. And there's one on this side too. It has nothing connected to it. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. You know, is that normal? I mean, there's shit everywhere. It's shooting coolant all over the place. So, and then they have it zip tied like right into there. I don't really like that situation. But you know, call me crazy. Maybe that's normal. I don't know. So I got the old one out. It's really tiny, but I don't know what to do here because these didn't have hoses on them, and I don't know if they're supposed to. I mean, this radiator, I just installed the release there, but I don't know whether to put ones in there or what. I don't know, or if I should just block them off. I don't know. I have to figure that out before I install it. That was a little scary. I don't like zip tying things to a brand new $400 radiator, but it's there, I guess. So while I'm out of here, I'm obviously going to change the thermostat because I'm putting a brand new radiator in here with an old ass thermostat that probably was the problem in the first place. Probably could have left the old radiator in it, but it was too small, and I figured, like, why not? And then I can drive this thing and not have to worry about anything for a while, for a few days. One seems to function just fine, but we'll change it out anyway. What's $7. 20 bucks. Got the thermostat and the hose that we're going to have to butcher and cut into pieces, but if this works out, I won't be it'll be really crazy because nothing works out when it comes to these old cars. So if this doesn't work, it'll be like killing a unicorn. $22 wasted. but let's cut into it. All right, problem 1 of 10 solved. New thermostat, new hose, worked out perfectly, which is like, you know, that never happens. But the bottom one isn't working out. So it's looking like I gotta go get another hose. And I'm not too excited to try to find a match for that one, but we'll see. Hopefully this is the last trip to the parts store today, but I grabbed 2 hoses. One's a little shorter, and then one's really long, but it might be overkill. But you know, I got a pretty dramatic S shape to make for the bottom row, so we'll see. Either way, one of these are going to work, and then I should be able to see if this all works out and my engine stays a little cooler. We'll see. I'm not getting my hopes up. All right, moment of truth. Staying at a steady, see, it jumps around, it's so weird. There's no way it's, yeah, 96 would be about right. And I gotta burp the radiator, so I gotta kind of stand out here and wait for the thermostat to open and burp, you know, all the antifreeze back out. Let's see. Alright, so when this hits about 160 to 180, the thermostat should open and it should go right back down. So that's what we're looking for. We're at 115, 16, 17. Love how it jumps all around like that. Kind of bizarre. That, gotta love electric. You know, if it was this guy, which I should just hook back up, I'd be able to, you know, read an actual reading. I filled her up pretty good, so
It sounds like it sounded like here right now.
there, it's gonna go again.
Yeah.
Christ. I breathed that right in like a freaking cigarette.
Put it back up and drive one.
It's in drive.
Or not drive hard.
Sitting at 191, man. That's
good.
I love that.
That's good.
That's where it should be.
Yeah.